A tree that is cooked as flavoring for fish dishes. What a fantastic tree it is. Introducing Tagpo, Ardisia squamulosa of the family Primulaceae. The genus Ardisia is a Greek word that means point in reference to the pointed stamens of their flowers. One of the representative species of this genus in the country is Tagpo. The flowers and fruits of Tagpo are cooked as flavoring for fish dishes. This plant is used to treat complications of childbirth, liver poisoning, fever, and diarrhea. Tagpo is highly preferred as an ornamental plant because of its small size and elegant, pendulous, pinkish flowers. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.